ulit guys, ulit guys, ulit.
Gusto ka bang sabihin? Ba't di mapakali? Di makatingin. Sana'y huwag mo na tong palipasin at subukan lutasin sa mga sinabi mo na ibang nararapat sa akin na tunay kong ako'y isang bituin na walang sasamahin. Di ko man ito ipakita, habang langit ang daig sa mga sinabi mo na ibang nararapat sa akin na tunay kong mamahalin.
Same ground. Ay.
Ito yung crocodile kapag nagalaw yung buntot nila. Yan.
Ay, gano'n ba yan? Nakalimutan na kami ng gamot. Nakalimutan lang.
Since I cried and I drink out of the blue. It's hard game a stranger never would have wanted. That was it. 'Cause I've learned that love is beyond human can't imagine. More it cleaves, the more I gotta let you go. But I don't understand. So I'm feeling so bad now. When I know it was my dear, couldn't just think of the truth in life. Am I the only one standing stranded on the same ground?
Katak-katak yung ano utak natin, no?
My love, it's been a long time since I cried and left you out of the blue. It's hard leaving you the way when I never wanted to. Self-denial is a game a stranger never would have wanted to. That was it. Self-love love is a word that's got a little bit too much of this. Excuse me, guilty. I'll be sad and never ever have to pay. So I don't understand. So I'm feeling so bad now. When I know it was my dear, I couldn't just think of the truth in life. Now I'm the only one standing stranded on the same ground.
Humabol. Humabol. Pati ka sa kamay.
So I'm feeling so bad now. When I know it was my dear, just take on the truth in life. Am I the only one standing stranded on the same ground?
Next song, next song. Next song, last song na po bago ako umalis.
Would you be there to love me?
Oy, sorry. Unti-unti. Para kay Ali.
Ayun yung kata mo nung una natin nga. Sa mumja. Kayo, ano search? Ako na lang.
Clear brand lang ang gatas na may 100% vitamin D. Tulong sa tibay.
Babalik, babalik.
Ba't di ka kasi din siya?
Bakit di ka cash ng cash mo?
Dilaw na lang, dilaw na lang.
Ay, akin ba malalaman?
Dilaw yung upload na.
Ano ba yung aking ka na lang?
Ay, sige.
Gusto niya yung bumibirit
Uy. Ah, sa drive yan?
Oo, sa drive.
Ba't sa drive ka? Sa OneDrive ka mag-upload? Para link na ibibigay mo kay sir.
Saan yung OneDrive?
Sa Teams.
Ah, okay.
Ka na lang.
Ay, ikaw.
Ay.
Oh,
Bakit hindi mo maramdaman? Ikaw sa
akin nakababa.
Kitip lamang nahahakat, nangyayakap ka. At ako pa'y iibigin pa hanggang nasang makikiusap na lang. Akin ka na lang, akin ka na lang, hanggang nasaan sa araw. Akin ka na lang, akin ka na lang, ang maghihintay hanggang akin ka na Alam ko pa'y ibigin ka hanggang nasaan makikiusap na lang. Akin ka na lang, akin ka na lang.
Kinalang!
Sorry guys, ganyan lang talaga sila. Yun yung sa TikTok yun. Ano? Ending fairy. 1, 2, 3. Ay, di na medyo. Isa na lang.
Oh my God.
Yung ano, first day.
I never dreamed, 'cause I always thought that dreaming was to forget. Just a childish
Gangster. Sige natin mo. Hindi, totoo na.